sublimate on one and we are going to white toner print on another. That's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Okay, I got a special video for you guys today. I'm super excited. I am going to show you firsthand the difference with sublimation and white toner printing. I have before you the sublimation / white toner / amazing shirt blanks that Two Wild Roses Boutique is carrying. They are Bella Canvas and they are a polyester blend. So if you are a member to Auntie.com, you get 30% off. These are high-end boutique blanks that have this really adorable leather patch on them. So if you're making shirts for yourself or for other people and you do it on one of our Bella Canvas blanks, first of all, it's a Bella Canvas blank, which means highest level of quality, and then also they're very boutique feeling because we have a handmade element from our team on there that Tiff does through her boutique, and I just love it. So today I'm going to use the oatmeal and we're going to sublimate on one and we are going to white toner print on another so you can physically see the difference. And we're going to use the same variable, so they're going to be on the same color. I've got both of my printouts, my sublimation and my white toner. Sublimation, I have the Epson 15,000. Whenever I'm printing something that's about this size, I always do 2 copies per sheet, so then I get extra. But I could have done this a lot bigger on my sublimation paper, but I wanted to keep them the same size. Sublimation brightens up after you sublimate it, so comparing the printables is not fair. But I will show you that this has white in it. It actually prints white ink. So you will get this transferred onto your shirt versus this is using an inkjet printer, but we put sublimation ink in it, but it still doesn't print white. So big difference you'll see when we actually put them on the shirt. The shirt I'm wearing right now is sublimation. This is a hoodie by Two Wild Roses Boutique, and it is 100% polyester. So the polyester blend definitely matters. Getting high polyester count garments is kind of hard, especially ones that are like high quality. So I feel like pinning these two shirts up to each other is really important because these are shirts that are not going to be super see-through. They're shirts that are not going to be, they're going to be soft, but they're not going to be cheap feeling. This is sublimation, and I've just been used to seeing kind of like the vintage look. The first thing I noticed was it's vintage, obviously, because it's not 100% polyester. So it has more of like a vintage feel. Any design that is supposed to feel vintagey, if you print it at a high quality, then turns vintage. It is a little bit fuzzy too. Like if you look super close to it, it's pretty fuzzy. That's also a part of the vintage look too. So it kind of goes with that, but it's not super crisp. My favorite part about it, about sublimation period, is the fact that this is not on top of your fabric. This is infused, and this one will last literally forever. You can stretch it. This is not sitting on top of your shirt. This is infused into the fibers of your shirt. It'll come right back together and it won't ruin it. You can't do that with heat transfer vinyl. You can't do that with even white toner printing. So let's look at the white toner printer. It is much more vibrant, and I will show you guys them side by side. It is much more vibrant, and the one thing was, which it's more user error than anything, was I've lost a few of these little dots. Black is like a true black. The words are crisp and beautiful, which this design actually I like very crisp, but this does sit on top of your fabric. And so it is a little stretchy, but if I were to pull this really hard, this could crack. I would never stretch my shirt that much, so I don't anticipate it cracking, but it has a little bit of give, but we'll see over time what happens. But I mean, it's pretty stretchy. Like I'm stretching it pretty good. It is so thin. Next to heat transfer vinyl, it's not the same. So it is like, it's in there really, really good. It doesn't have much stretch up and down, but it does have some stretch side to side. So that's very interesting. But here's the thing. Do you hear the difference? It has the sound of heat transfer vinyl. So if you've used heat transfer vinyl, you'll know what this feels like and this sounds like, but it's much, much thinner. It feels like Easy Weed, but it's very thin, like super duper thin. On the inside of the shirt even, like what it would feel like sitting on you, you can hear it, kind of sounds like ASMR, like paper. But it is pretty thin. It's not gonna bother you. And then obviously, like, if you stretch it out, is it gonna get that look of HTV? Is it gonna fold? Little bit, you know? So you definitely wanna iron this from the inside. Whereas this, you can iron it, you can crinkle it, it sounds like fabric. There are pros and cons to both, but I will say both of these things are really innovative and really, really cool. If you guys click through the link in the description, it'll take you to the white toner printer by Ricoma, this exact bundle. It is an affiliate link, so I will get a kickback for that. So I appreciate if you use that link. I do not want you to go out and buy white toner printing stuff unless it is something that you've really thought about and that it's really time for you to do it. I am trying my hardest to break down everything about it so that you can fully make an educated choice. That's them side by side. I'm impressed with both. I would totally wear both. I would probably wear this one more. I just love how the white pops on this and how crisp the lines are, but that's not to say that this one is not as like cute too. I can do more designs with you guys. I can maybe do a video on doing the same design in sublimation, like 20 or 30 of them. But if you're just interested in figuring out like, okay, what's a good shirt to use, Tiffany will be carrying these in her boutique and offers 30% off to our business members, 20% off to our regular crafting members. You can check out her boutique before you even think about becoming a member too. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.